Hello everyone. In this video we have a new ClanBot source code with more cool and interesting features. Here we can have lots of commands such as set welcome channel, leave channel, AFK, games, fun commands, and many more. So let's get started. First you need to join my server where I uploaded all source code and open the link. Now as you can see we used Replit for online coding. Replit is a powerful and cool coding platform where you can code anything through any coding language in just few minutes. You have to make your Replit account, then you can use our source codes. Or if you use any other platform, then don't worry, just fork our files and find the download button to download the code file as zip. Now after forking the file, go to the main.json file and fill all the requirements. First, go to the Discord developer page and make an application or a bot. Give it a name and a profile, and save it. Now go to the bot option. Scroll down and enable these three settings. Now press reset token and get a new bot token. Copy the bot token and paste it on main file, and also in secrets. Make a key name token and paste the token as a value. Now copy the client ID and paste it in the main file. Now we need to copy the server ID and the developer ID, so first go to Discord account settings, scroll down and search advanced, and enable the developer mode option to copy those IDs. Now right-click on your profile and the server and copy the IDs, and change the prefix to. Now we need Mongo URL. You can make your own URL from the website or get the URL from our server. Now we need to add our bot in our server, so just go to URL generator and generate your bot invite link. Now simply click on Run button and wait for a few minutes to execute the program. Congratulations, your bot is online and ready to use. Now try some commands and like help. Road race, snake, AFK, and many more. I am going to fast forward this clip. Hope you guys enjoyed this code in this video. Leave a like and comment, and subscribe our channel for more cool updates. Join our Discord server for more information and coding projects. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.